Space exploration is like the biggest adventure ever. It's a journey that takes us beyond the confines of our planet, into the vast unknown of the cosmos. The thrill of launching a spacecraft, the meticulous planning of missions, and the sheer excitement of discovering new celestial bodies are all part of this grand adventure. It shows how curious we are, how clever we are, and how determined we are to push the boundaries of what we know. Scientists and engineers work tirelessly, often spending years on a single mission, driven by the desire to uncover the secrets of the universe, and how much we want to understand the universe and where we fit in. Telescopes and observatories allow us to peer into the depths of space, revealing the beauty and complexity of galaxies, stars, and planets. Each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. India, with its history of science and cool inventions, has always been a leader in space. From ancient astronomers who map the stars to modern-day scientists who develop cutting-edge technology, India's contributions to space exploration are significant and enduring. Since the Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, started in the 1960s, India has done amazing things in space, even without spending lots of money. ISRO's innovative approach and cost-effective methods have made it a respected player in the global space community. ISRO started with a simple goal: to use space technology to help India grow. This vision has guided its missions, leading to advancements in communication, weather forecasting, and resource management. This led to satellites for phones, weather, and maps, which changed the lives of millions of Indians. These satellites have improved connectivity, provided accurate weather predictions, and helped in disaster management, making a tangible difference in people's lives. When Aryabhata, India's first satellite, went to space in 1975, it was a huge moment. It marked the beginning of India's journey into space, showcasing the nation's capabilities and ambitions. Since then, ISRO has done so much, like sending Chandrayaan to the Moon and the Mars Orbiter mission, making India the first country to reach Mars on its first try. These missions have not only expanded our knowledge of the Moon and Mars, but have also demonstrated India's growing prowess in space technology. These missions helped us learn more about space and inspired lots of people in India to dream big. They have ignited a passion for science and exploration among the youth, encouraging the next generation of scientists and engineers to reach for the stars. Now India is ready to do even more amazing things with SpaDeX and POEM-4. These upcoming missions promise to push the boundaries of our knowledge even further, exploring new frontiers and developing new technologies. These missions are a big step for India's space program and will help us discover new things about the universe. As we continue to explore, we are reminded that the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning of our journey into the vast expanse of space. SpaDeX, which means Space Docking Experiment, shows how good India is getting at space technology. It's a big step towards learning how to connect spacecraft in space, which is important for sending people to space and building a space station. This mission uses two spacecraft, a chaser and a target. The chaser has special sensors, navigation tools, and little rockets so it can connect with the target all on its own while in space. This is really hard to do, and if it works, it means India is really good at space travel. The target spacecraft just waits for the chaser. It has special connectors so the chaser can link up safely. It might also have science tools to do other experiments. SpaDeX is more than just a test. It's a way for India to become a leader in space exploration. This ambitious project aims to showcase India's growing capabilities in the realm of space technology and innovation. By successfully executing this mission, India will demonstrate its prowess in a field that has long been dominated by a few select nations. The main goal is to show that India can connect spacecraft in space, a critical skill for future space missions. This docking capability is essential for long-term space missions, enabling the transfer of crew and cargo between spacecraft. It also opens up possibilities for in-orbit assembly of larger structures, which is important for building big things in orbit like space stations and spaceships for other planets. The ability to construct and maintain large structures in space will be a game-changer for future exploration missions, including those aimed at Mars and beyond. This technology will pave the way for more ambitious projects. If India can do this, it will be one of the few countries that can. Joining this elite group will elevate India's status in the global space community, making it a key player in international space collaborations. This achievement will also inspire other nations to pursue similar advancements. This will not only make India better at space travel, but will also help India work with other countries on space projects. Collaborative efforts will lead to shared knowledge and resources, fostering innovation and progress in space exploration. These partnerships will be crucial for tackling the complex challenges of future missions. SpaDeX will help India be a part of building future space stations and missions to faraway planets. By contributing to these monumental projects, India will gain invaluable experience and expertise. This involvement will also provide opportunities for Indian scientists and engineers to work on cutting-edge technologies. SpaDeX can also help us learn more about science. The mission will enable a variety of scientific experiments in microgravity, leading to new discoveries and advancements. These experiments could have far-reaching implications for fields such as medicine, materials science, and biology. The target spacecraft can have tools to study Earth's air, climate change, and stars. These instruments will provide critical data for understanding our planet's atmosphere. This information is vital for addressing global challenges like climate change and environmental degradation. This information will help us understand our planet and the universe better. By gaining a deeper understanding of these phenomena, we can develop more effective strategies for preserving our environment and exploring the universe. SpaDeX represents a significant step forward in India's space journey, promising a future filled with discovery and innovation. SpaDeX shows how good India's technology is. The mission needs advanced technology for spacecraft design, rockets, navigation, and communication. ISRO's engineers and scientists have worked hard to make these technologies, inventing new things along the way. One of the hardest parts of SpaDeX is making the Chaser spacecraft system for connecting with the target. This system uses cameras, lasers, and radar to see where the target is. This information goes into computer programs that control the Chaser's little rocket so it can move very precisely. Talking between spacecraft is also very important. The Chaser and target spacecraft need to talk to each other and to people on Earth. ISRO has made advanced communication systems that can send and receive information over long distances, making sure everything goes smoothly. Section 5, Poem 4, Exploring Science with Poem 4. SpaDeX is about technology, but Poem 4, which means Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle Orbiting Earth Mission 4, is about science. This mission is a significant leap in our quest to understand the intricate workings of our planet. By sending advanced scientific instruments into space, we aim to gather crucial data that will help us decode the mysteries of Earth's environment. This mission will send science tools into space to study Earth and its environment, giving us important information about our planet. These tools are designed to observe and measure various aspects of our planet, from the atmosphere to the oceans, and even the land and magnetic field. Each instrument plays a vital role in painting a comprehensive picture of Earth's current state. Poem 4 will have tools to study Earth's air, oceans, land, and magnetic field. These instruments will work together to provide a holistic view of our planet's health and behavior. By analyzing the data collected, scientists can make more accurate predictions about weather patterns, climate change, and other environmental phenomena. These tools will collect information about weather, climate change, forests, ocean currents, and Earth's magnetic field. This data is invaluable for understanding how our planet is changing over time. For instance, monitoring ocean currents can help us understand the movement of heat across the globe, which is crucial for predicting climate changes. This information will help scientists all over the world understand our planet and find solutions to environmental problems. By sharing this data globally, we can foster international collaboration in addressing issues like global warming, deforestation, and pollution. The insights gained from Poem 4 will be instrumental in shaping policies and strategies for a sustainable future. One of the important tools on Poem 4 is a special camera. This hyperspectral imaging camera is capable of capturing images in a wide range of wavelengths, far beyond what the human eye can see. This allows us to gather detailed information about the composition and condition of Earth's surface. This camera can take pictures of Earth's surface in many different colors, giving us detailed information about what the Earth is made of. By analyzing these images, scientists can identify different types of vegetation, soil, and minerals. This is particularly useful for monitoring agricultural health, managing natural resources, and studying ecological changes. This will help us check on plants, see where forests are disappearing, and find minerals. The ability to detect changes in vegetation and land use is crucial for conservation efforts. Additionally, identifying mineral deposits can aid in sustainable mining practices. Overall, Poem 4 is a powerful tool in our ongoing effort to understand and protect our planet. Section 6. Unlocking the Secrets of the Universe. Poem 4's Experiments. Poem 4's science tools will do lots of experiments to learn about our planet. One important goal is to study how climate change is affecting Earth. The tools will measure changes in sea level, ice, and the air, giving us important information about global warming. Poem 4 will also study Earth's air and how it interacts with the sun. It will measure things like temperature, pressure, humidity, and wind speed. This information will help us predict the weather better and understand how Earth's atmosphere works. Poem 4 will also study Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from the sun's harmful rays. Special tools will measure how strong and which way Earth's magnetic field is pointing, helping us understand Earth's core and how the magnetic field is made. Section 7. Empowering Humanity, the Promise of Poem 4. The information from Poem 4 will be very helpful, teaching us about Earth and helping us solve big problems. The information will help us predict the weather better, understand climate change, protect forests, manage resources, and prepare for natural disasters. Poem 4's information about Earth's atmosphere will help us predict the weather more accurately. Good weather forecasts are important for farmers, travel, and staying safe during storms. The mission will also help us understand climate change, giving leaders the information they need to make good decisions. Poem 4's tools will also help us protect forests, which are important for the environment. By seeing where forests are disappearing, we can protect these important areas. Section 8. India, a rising star in the cosmic ballet. With SpaDeX and Poem 4, India is becoming a major player in space exploration. These missions show that India is serious about science and is becoming more important in space. SpaDeX shows how advanced India's technology is, showing that it can do difficult things in space. This mission will make India a leader in space and inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers. Poem 4 shows that India wants to use space technology to help people. By studying Earth, this mission will give us important information to solve big problems and make the future better. Section 9. A future illuminated by cosmic explorations. India's space program has a bright future. SpaDeX and Poem 4 are just the beginning of India's journey in space. These missions will inspire future scientists, engineers, and explorers to learn about space. They will help countries work together to discover new things and learn more about the universe. India's space program shows how curious and clever people are and how much we want to explore. As India continues to explore space, it will inspire the world and show us the way to the stars. Fancy more space adventures? We've got you covered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, share the galactic love with your mates, and subscribe to Galactic Wilds. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. See you in the next adventure.